This is the D-FantiX D-clip with keyring. You get 5 in the pack. You get 5 of these and 5 of these. And they are pretty heavy duty. So they clip just like that. And then if you want to secure them, you twist this little piece up here, and then it can't be opened and it's secure. And then just twist it down like that and it opens again. So that's how that works. The key ring that comes with it is a very sturdy key ring. This is not going to break apart very easily, and it's very hard to pry it open. So once you get a set of keys stuck on there, they're not going to come off, and this is not going to lose its shape like some other thinner ones.